Hello, what do you think? Things that time? Yes, it is. 10:30 Bill with me, Scott. The world has revolved a couple times since I've seen you last. Since I seen you last, I got these upper members on the Airelon spar. Flipped the wing over. Cut the trailing edges to the right length. Pre-fitted the root end and wing end. Cut little slots for the wing attachments. And then I varnished it too. Now we're going to work on getting these diagonals in here. Guess what? It's a beautiful day here in southeastern Virginia, guys. It's unbelievably beautiful. I can't believe how beautiful it is. Hope you're having a blessed day too. God blesses mine all the time, I swear. I don't know about you, but I do not like gloomy days. And a beautiful day just makes me so happy. Just gets me going in the right direction. Look, there's one right there. I took yesterday off. We had a fellowship yesterday we actually meet up at our local moose lodge for fellowship. And that was nice. Took the day off. Didn't do nothing hardly. Messed with the kids a little bit. Some of the grandkids. Helped my daughter work on her car. Use this thing, works so great. Anyway, the message yesterday was on unity, not just partnership unity like we talked about before, but unity throughout the world. All the people that believe in Jesus, to be of one mind, to be like-minded, to desire the same things. Did you know there are 45,000 different Christian denominations? That's just outright stupid. I don't know what that meant. I messed that one up. Thing is, God said there's one God, one faith, one baptism, one Savior. Why would you have to have 45,000 differences of opinion how it all works? It just don't make no sense. If you read the Bible, it'll let you know that Jesus wants us all to be together and waiting for him. He doesn't want us all dispersed. Just like, we're going to be taking a trip with him one day, hopefully. Sooner than later, you never know. Look at the news. And what do you do when you want to take a trip? Do you want to sit here and gather all your kids up and look for them and hunt them down and all that, and then when you do, they're like, oh no, we want to come to him because he believes in different kind of baptism. We don't want to come with him because he eats different stuff than us. And we don't want to come with him, or we're not hanging out with him because he's a different color, or he's a different race, or lives in a different neighborhood. Or he's poor, and I don't want him begging for money here. There's so many reasons why we separate ourselves. Anyway, just like a dog, when I don't know if you ever seen the wild dogs on the say National Geographic. Every now and then they'll pick up their pups and they'll move from one hole to the next. It's a lot easier when they're all together. That's kind of the same idea. Not that we're dogs. Kind of the same idea that Jesus got. Hey, y'all get together and you get ready because we're going on a trip. Get over your petty differences. We all got them. All right, so I will mix up some epoxy and glue them in. Next step is going to go ahead and be putting on these root ends too. You'll be back for that. Then the next step will be cutting this Airelon out of the way. Cutting it off. So I hope to see you there. Hope God gives you a blessed day today. Hope your day's as beautiful as mine. If not, pray it will be. Maybe things will turn around for you. Hope all y'all have health, happiness, and prosperity. Come back and see us again soon. Take care. Don't forget, keep looking up. That's where our Savior's coming from.